Lila is a new teacher. Her students are English language learners, sometimes abbreviated ELLs, or students whose first language is not English. Lila isn't sure how to approach teaching them. She wants to do the best she can for them, but what is that? Should she give them grammar lessons and worksheets? Should she have them engage in discussions with classmates? There are many different ways to approach teaching English language learners. To help Lila plan, let's take a closer look at one of them, the communicative approach. One way to think about teaching ELLs is to use the communicative approach, also called communicative language teaching. You'll probably notice right off the bat that the name has a lot in common with the word communication. That's not by accident. The communicative approach focuses on teaching language through communication. Of course, the goal of any language instruction is to learn how to communicate, but in communicative language teaching, communication is not only the goal, but the method of teaching. The teacher in a communicative language classroom acts as a guide or facilitator, and students engage in class activities to learn the language. For example, Lila might set up an activity where she asks students what their favorite holiday is and why. She can pair the students up and have them talk to one another about it while Lila walks around the room and helps the pairs out. Through this activity, the students are learning the language through their discussion with other students. That is, they're learning through communication. Notice that this is very different than if Lila stood at the front of the classroom and explained the rules of English grammar to her students and then gave them worksheets. That method might also be focused on teaching students how to communicate, but the actual work in the classroom, the teacher explaining, the worksheets, is not communication, so it's not the communicative approach. Lila thinks that the communicative approach sounds great. She wonders why every teacher doesn't use it. After all, it just seems perfect. Communicative language teaching has both strengths and challenges, which is why not everyone